Hi guys, Amit Bharadwaj here from Expert Immigration. I am an Australian registered migration agent. Guys, I want to share a latest update from Australia, a positive news from Australian government for the international students who want to study in Australia. Guys, on 20th of July, Australian government made an announcement that they will be start granting visa to the students who wish to study in Australia. Earlier, Australian government was holding all the offshore applications were not being processed, but now Australian government is going to process student visa application and even start granting visa to the students who meet the requirements. So it's a very good news. If you want to study in Australia, you can apply for visa. Once borders open, you will be able to travel to Australia. Second good announcement is made by Australian government is that if in case you are not able to travel to Australia due to this COVID situation and you are attending online classes in India, so you will be eligible for post-study work visa even if you attend online classes, right? Earlier it was not clear if you attend online classes you will be eligible for post-study work visa or not, but now it is very clear. Even if you attend online classes in India, you will be able to apply post-study work visa after your studies. So guys, these two are really positive news because Australian government want to promote their international education industry in Australia is a very big industry. It contributes more than $40 billion per year to Australian economy. So they are very much serious, they are very positive to promote international education. Guys, I know there are a lot of students who recently passed class 12th from CBSE or ICSE board. I want to inform you that you can apply Australian student visa without any IELTS or PT because there are many level 1 universities in Australia. They are providing English waiver to those students who have good marks in English subject. If you are having good marks in English subject, for example, you are having 70 marks in your English subject, you can apply Australian student visa without IELTS or PT. In addition to this, there are many universities in Australia offering scholarship. 20%, 25%, 30% and 50% scholarship on the total fees is being offered by many universities in Australia. So guys, it's a good opportunity to save money because it was never like that Australian universities were offering this much of scholarship. Guys, it is very important that you choose the right course because if you are looking to get PR in Australia after studies, it will become difficult if you choose the wrong course. And you should know what are the requirements for getting PR in Australia, how many points are required, how you can score these points. All this information can be provided by a registered migration agent. I am an Australian registered migration agent. I've been helping students from last 15 years to study overseas. So guys, if you're looking to study in Australia, just book an appointment, come and see me. I will get you the best course to study in Australia and how you can get PR in Australia after studies. Our services for Australia are free of cost. We do not have any processing fees, no consultation fees, no file charges. Good luck guys.